kind of see it over that way. Oh my gosh, look at our house. Those poor people on the freeway. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. Okay, I'm gonna walk over here to our other part of the yard. Yeah, it's coming down. Another thunder. It's over that way. It's past. Oh my gosh, that was wild. This is so cool. I love thunderstorms. Monsoon and when is it? We're in February now. So 4 months from now. But this is nothing. This is a cold storm that we're getting hit with. So it's not a monsoon. Oh, it's pretty wild. I haven't seen any lightning. It's just thunder. Look at that. I'm gonna see if I can get out here without getting wet. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. It's dripping off our house now. Oh my lordy lord, does that go white? Oh, I want to go over there. Can't. It's quite raining. I just have to get underneath this. Do I dare? I'm gonna go up here. Alright, we're gonna do this here because this is really wild. Because all the hail is on our awnings, our little covering things for our dogs to protect them from the sun and birds and stuff. Crazy. Can't believe this. I've never. Wow.